Okay, so I just got my Vluxenails stick-ons in the mail and I thought I would unbox with you guys. This is the first set that I've got. A rainbow V French. And then the second set is probably my favourite one, periwinkle blue with these two accent nails. So that's the second set. Both of these sets come with 2 alcohol swabs, a little file, nail glue, and an orange wood stick. These could have come with the sticky tabs that you put on your nails in case you wanted to only have them on for a couple of days. Okay, so I think I'll leave that one for now. We'll put on these together. What I'll do is I'll first start with gently pushing my cuticles back. So I thought I'd actually tell you guys as well that these are custom press-ons. We have to order the size kit of what you want. So she's got different shapes and lengths, and each different sizing. I'm not ambidextrous at all. So we'll start with one of these. So just making sure I get in all the little nooks and crannies. My little glue here. Keep that ready on the side. Oh, this is such a nice colour. Just making sure to push back some more with the actual nail. And this one is a tad big. So I'll just... So I'm just gonna have to cut this first. I don't think there's a hole there. Maybe I have to cut it. Okay, let me go get scissors. Okay, we're back. I've cut the top. Almost stuck my hand to the thing. Oh god. Okay, hopefully this goes well and no issues shall arise.
So I'm just putting a teeny bit of glue on my nail. And then I'm going to put a little inside the nail as well.
And I'm pushing it back and holding down, making sure I've got it on both sides. Okay, next one.
So again, just a little bit.
Cute. We're just gonna repeat the process. And this is the first time that I've had almond shaped nails, so it'd be interesting to see how I like the shape. What we got so far. No, I stuck that on pretty crooked. That's okay. And these are fitting really well. And sorry guys, I've got a bit of a blocked nose. Oh my god, I keep sticking my finger to this. Oh my god, do I have it on straight? No, of course not, Stephanie, because you're an idiot. So that's the first hand. Oh, look how cute this one is. The colour's so nice. This is so not me, but I thought, you know, we're in quarantine, so I'm not going anywhere. I don't have to, oh, I'm so annoyed about this. Maybe I'll just... I'm more of a nude girl, so I thought, why not get out of my comfort zone, mix things up a bit, get wild and crazy. You know, for some people this colour might be a bit tame and stuff, but I am not. Why is it okay? This is not. Whoopsie. This is why you need to make sure that you're putting them on straight. Okay, trial and error. Now I know for this one we need to take more care, but it's probably going to go worse because it's my non-dominant hand doing my dominant hand. Let's just hope for the best. Oh god, how am I doing this with my... Oh god. Why am I doing this? Oh no. Okay, nope, that's fine. You gotta be quick, guys. Moral of the story here, oh no, not too quick because I need to check the straightness, like I have not been doing, but do as I say, not as I do. I'm doing this for the first time. God. So, learn from my mistakes. Oh no, I didn't size this. Oh my god. Oh no, that's the thumb. Oh, okay. Oh, that was almost a mess. What am I doing? Okay. Oh, don't panic. Pull yourself together. Pull yourself together, Stephanie. Oh my god. Okay. Here we go. Why does this not want to stick? Why isn't this sticking? Oh no, what have I done? Maybe I'll come back to that. What am I doing? This is a mess. This is actually a mess. Okay. Oh god. Why did I think this was a good idea for me to do? Oh my lord. Oh, this is very stressful. I'm one of those people who are like, oh my god, yes, this will be such a good idea, but then I realized that I have no idea what I am doing. So who or why do I think that this is a good idea for me to do? The main thing is that we tried. If at first you don't succeed, try and try again. Who said that in a song? Oh, freaking A. Dust yourself off and try again. Who sang that? Who sang that? Alright. We've got 3 out of 5. Well, I think if you put these on right, they last about 2 weeks. So, because I know that I have not put these on right, hopefully they last today. Let me file this one. File some of the glue off, because I've royally screwed this up. This is what happens when I get all flustered. To a normal person, this is easy application, because you just put glue on the thing and then you stick them on. But obviously for me, I struggle with the smallest of tasks, so I'm making it harder for myself than it actually needs to be. Story of my life. Let's just hope for the best, okay? This might be it. This is a crooked one too. See, I don't know what's wrong with these fingers. What I'm going to do now, they're all on, some just barely hanging on for the dear life, but if there's any gaps in between, I'm going to get some glue and try and fill between the fake nail and my real one. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing, probably not, but I'm getting glue everywhere. Okay, this was not the plan. Oh no, what am I doing? Okay, that was too much there, obviously. This is where we need to get the orange wood stick, maybe. Okay, maybe it's too late because I've already bloody ruined it. Okay, let's just keep it moving. Nothing to see here. That's the finished look. How do you pose with your nails? I don't know. Do it like this. That's how they do it, right? What a fail of a video, but at least, you know, now you know how not to do this. Put all this away. Don't need any more glue in my life. These were the other set. If you guys want any information about Vluxenails, I'll leave her link in the description box below so you can have a look and check her out. Look how amazing these are. Anyway, I'm going. See you later.